Girls, may I call on Gian Clarence P. Pascual. Gian Clarence P. Pascual is a grade 6 pupil. She is nicknamed as Jax or Gian. She was born November 2, 2002 at St. Luke's, Quezon City. Her parents are Maureen Aba P. Pascual and Randy R. Pascual. Her favorite sport is soccer. She has a good taste with chicken stew. Her favorite colors are green, blue, black, red, and yellow. And Tian's motto is, do all your best and God will do the rest. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Gian Clarence P. Pascual. Our next candidate, still for level 2, is Ariane Valerie Argotiosa.
Stay there.
Ligali.
Ariane Valerie, or Valerie for short,